Tulsa.
Oh,
Filming for the Res Dogs TV show. Catch your voice.
about to get tested. You did what?
I know they felt that. Yeah, we told them like it was. We told them it was real. Yeah, we told them it was good. I know they felt that. Yeah, we told them how it is.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh my God.
5. On the other side?
Yeah, what up? Live from behind scenes at the Reservation Dogs. Getting ready to handle some business. FUNNYBONE. Check it. Oh, look at that.
Got to go down. I'm taking my pants off.
Yeah. Welcome. It's a happy first day of production. Looking forward to a great season with you. What? And just notice this gift right here. And then pull out a thermos or whatever this is. Reservation Dogs. Ooh.
What up?
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Dream big, work hard, and never give up. Dream big, work hard, and never give up. Dream big, work hard, and never give up. If people don't laugh at your dreams, they ain't big enough.
Burn like I know how. And if they didn't let they know now. We gon' ride it till the wheels fall. Get it in till they kill y'all. If it ain't mobbing, it ain't moving. If it ain't mobbing, it ain't mobbing. If it ain't mobbing, it ain't moving. If it ain't mobbing, it ain't moving.
Yeah, I'm on my save.
Drummer Boy Production.
Reservation Dogs. Yes, sir. We out here. Got Gary Farmer on the scene with your boys. Lil Mike and FUNNYBONE. Yeah, you see me. FUNNYBONE's over here next to Zon, the big movie star. Holding it down in these streets. Yes, sir. Reservation Dogs coming soon.
Okay, Cass, they said that they're ready for you now.
See, this is Laura right here.
Shows,
Yeah?
setting up, ministry, movement.
Okay. Dude. Staying busy? You want to go to the pocket as well, or?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll run through the belt. I'll probably go. Wait, where are you guys from?
Oklahoma City.
Okay.
Say it like you would if you were down
I'm from Tulsa. So.
Really?
Yeah.
Tulsa.
You know, just
Pretty much setting up different events.
Okay.
Online sales.
Online sales.
Nice to see you.
That's where the money's at, right? Profit.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Damn, just another day at work. Cameras, actors, directors, and crazy drivers. Is that baby mama drama or is that style? I don't know.
You only get one right. So you better make it a good one. You better go live your life.
Is we rolling? Might be.
And you better make it a good one. Cause it's only you.
Just another hard hit from the block. Evil in my thoughts and familiar with the cops. I done been through a lot. Look at me now, got the homies all shot. Used to bang for the turf, now I bang for God. All the troubles that I got made me change and stop. Living for myself and just dealing with hell. Wanna end it all every time I will fail. But when I dwell, dead or in jail and it doesn't sit well. Therapy and prayer has me cracking my shell. See, at the time when I was feeding my mind was also keeping me blind till I was seeing the signs. I had to leave it behind. Say how when I bounce, I'm a native boy. Coming fresh out the box, never faded boy. Oklahoma, yeah, that's 46 state boy. And I ain't going nowhere, I'm here to stay boy. You can call me FBI, cause I'm full blood Indian. Washed in the blood, cause I'm full blood Christian. Now saddle up, yeah, gon' add it up. The name is FUNNYBONE, cause I had it cracking up. And I must be good, cause that money's stacking up. Now gon' clap once, I said gon' clap once. Keep it crunk, keep that crowd proud. Make you raise your eyebrow, make you jump like pow wow. Now
We on that wall of fame, Reservation Dogs.
Miko, sorry. FUNNYBONE, Miko.
Getting your chair doesn't go high enough.
Now the chair, stop. Some of them go really high, and some of them just go.
well, the music keep you crunk all through the night. And at the same time, speak blessings in your life. What other music put a smile up on your face and calm you down when you're wound up full of hate. I make a hit and do some good up in the city. The spirit in our music now move and get it. We speaking life, we speaking truth, we speaking love. It's our time, yeah, let's ride. Get on up, stand up, all of my people's hands up. Let's say yeah, everybody say yeah.
Has never been told like this before, and we did it, and these are the soldiers of this right here. I mean, every emotional ride that they could have went through, and they believed in me and themselves and our community enough to go there every time. And you know, it's heavy shit that we're talking about, but we're also talking about it in a way that we're laughing about it, and the way that we do it as Native people, which is how we handle this shit and how we've always handled it. So I couldn't be prouder of them. It's been a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful experience seeing every one of them work and watching them grow. Like, I can't believe how good you guys got, like, and how amazing some of you already were, but then also the growth that happened in front of my eyes. Like, I never imagined how good this would be. And every day it was a blessing, and every day it was something that, like, to look at a scene that I wrote or that one of our writers wrote, and we imagined it one way, but then to see you all like elevated to a place that I never imagined, that was insane to watch. And I love all of you, and I feel like your family, and I love you all. Sum it up.
Yeah!
Act normal.
Y'all wouldn't have seen a stolen food truck, would you?
You got no jurisdiction here. This is Indian land.
Ride around with kin, drifting on baloney skin. You got a problem, homie, you got a problem.
Someone stole the truck. Broad daylight.
Put your seatbelt on. Seatbelt?
People's safety.
We're stealing a f***ing chip
I do
truck.
not give a shit, man. Put your seatbelt on. We're not going.
Let's go.
Apparently it was full of chips. I've never seen anything like that.
You're good thieves. Best in town.
Oh, thank you.
It is a small town.
That's just how I like it. Tell your friends. I don't have any. Go get some then.
Okay. We could be in California as soon as 2 months.
California, here we come.
You and your thuggy ass friends. What are you gonna fight for? Nah, I just no idea.
What? You guys watching this? It's gonna be like a month. What kind of gang was both red and blue?
Indian Mafia couldn't make up their minds if they want to be Bloods or Crips more. Maybe they're Blips, or maybe they're Cruds. Hey.
It's easy to be bad. Like the man. It's hard to be a warrior with dignity.
We making them drop when the Glock go pop, pop, pop. Bullets can't be stopped. That line them in shock when the Glock go pop, pop, pop. You better believe we shutting down shop when the Glock go pop, pop, pop. You said this part's back with your back on the wall. That's why the party back, cause your back's on the wall. Just move some, do some. Just move some, do some. Just move some, do some. Just move some, do